Alienware's X series is its thinnest and lightest laptops to go along with its more powerful M series laptops. This is the X16, the largest in the lineup, which comes with a couple fancy lighting features and some new design features. The X series is Alienware's family of thin gaming laptops, and the Alienware X16 is an all-new offering, so there's plenty to digest here. With this model, Dell is taking some learnings from both its powerful M series laptops and its thinner X series ones. Since this is a 16-inch laptop, performance will be a major focus, but portability is also a factor, seeing as it's still an X series machine. The X16 weighs 6 pounds, which is not light even for a gaming laptop, but it's mobile enough when you need to carry it. And it measures 7/10 of an inch thick, which is still pretty slim for this class of gaming machine. This new look silver styling is present on several of Alienware's 2023 products, and it's the way forward for its revamped design language, which Alienware and Dell call Legend. It's not as much of a standout as the white color option from the last generation, but it is a slick and premium look. The laptop feels sturdy and well made, with new rounded edges and a nanobead blasted aluminum exterior. Of course, you more likely notice the eye-catching animated touchpad, which is exclusive to the X16 model in the Alienware lineup. While Alienware has offered touchpads that glow in one color before, the one on the X16 emits customizable multicolor lighting and effects. Likewise, the rear ring lighting is exclusive to the X16 as well. Now, you've probably seen the same ring array on other Alienware systems, so it's not the design or the shape in and of itself that's new, but the technology here is. This light array uses 100 micro LEDs to seamlessly blend 50 small light zones together. As a result, it looks like one continual loop of color transitions and effects, and it's definitely different than the lighting used in existing Alienware laptops. It's a head turner in person, and it might look similar to the previous versions at a glance, but you can quickly notice the improved animations and transitions as the colors flow together. Of course, a gaming laptop isn't complete without the internal components to back it up. These specifics will have to wait, but the X16 will utilize the latest 2023 CPUs and GPUs from Intel and Nvidia when it releases in the first quarter and will launch with AMD options in Q2. To give an idea of its power, the X16 has a graphics power maximum of 175 watts. The X16 will launch with the high-end Intel and Nvidia parts for $3099, and an entry-level model will follow for $2149. Those AMD version prices aren't yet known. Some of this laptop's chassis design is meant to assist with performance too. The bottom panel has one ringed foot, which elevates the laptop off the desk or table for improved airflow underneath it. The efficient voltage regulation used in previous laptops is also employed here, capable of up to 12-phase GPU regulation for sustaining higher performance over longer periods without throttling. Finally, Alienware's Element 31 gallium silicon thermal material combines with a vapor chamber design to keep the laptop as cool as possible while gaming. Thanks for watching. For more on the X16 and news on all of CES 2023, check out PCMag.com.